Men thrive more in relationship, while a lot of female thrive much better while they are single. That leads us to me telling you that feminine energy is a great currency. The Bible says that he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtain favor from him, from God. And the same Bible also says that it is better to live in a rooftop than to live in a house with a bitter woman. Hey, you there. You see, feminine energy is currency. As a woman, we are nurturers, we are maternal, we cares a lot, we give in our whole lot in a relationship. Whenever we are in a relationship, we give in our whole best. Aside from cleaning, from cooking, from taking care of the house, the kids, the husband, and even extended family at large, we pour in our whole self. We pour in the whole feminine energy in us, in a relationship, in marriage, trying to sustain it, trying to make it to last. We are their cheerleader, their sandboard. We give shoulders to cry on. We give that supportive role that they need as a partner generally. But if you are pouring all these things into a wrong man, you find yourself depressed. You find yourself unwanted. You'll be questioning the whole art generally. You know, you will be depressed, you will be detached even from your own children, from your family, from your extended, from friends. You will detach yourself entirely. That is why I always say, don't pour into the wrong man. We female, whenever we like female thrive when they are in their feminine energy. But if you get yourself entangled with a wrong man, you tend to wear the masculine shoe, forgetting that you are a female. You need to always and forever be in your feminine energy. When you lose guard your feminine energy and then wear in that masculine shoe, oh gosh, it's never going to be easy. Your way out is going to be so terrible. You will lose yourself at it. I'm not saying this because I want female to be single. I don't want any lady to stay single. All I'm saying is that find your man. Find your true man. That is the only way you will flourish while in a relationship. If you don't find that your kind of man, if you rush into relationship, you will end up being with the wrong man, pouring into the wrong man. And then you end up being depressed and unwanted. If you find your true man, that as you are pouring into him, he is pouring into you, both of you flourish at the same time. Both of you will be happy for being with each other. Before you give access to a man, ask yourself this simple question: can he afford your energy? Can he afford your energy mentally, physically, emotionally, and the otherwise? Spiritual aspect of it is the greatest. You can't be a prayer warrior and you marry to a lukewarm man. They will dim your light. They will off it. So take your time and find out your kind of man before you start pouring into a relationship that will never make you to thrive on this life, that will never make you to fulfill the ministry that you are called upon to fulfill. Yes, all of us have a ministry on this earth. The same way I'm talking to the ladies, I'm talking to the men. So find your kind. We all have a ministry. The male have their ministry, the female have their ministry to fulfill on this earth. You need to thrive while in relationship. I'm not advocating I'm not advocating for people to be single, no. Because in old age, you will need yourself. You will need each other in old age. You will need someone to take care of you. So find your kind. Find your kind so that you both will flourish together, you both will grow together, you both will pour into each other's cup, and you'll be fulfilled that yes, I am doing this to my kind, I am doing this, I am satisfied, my heart is at peace while I am doing this. When you are with this real masculine man, you glow differently. Your works will be full of smile. When you speak, we will see the glory of God in you. When you walk, we will see how that even your footsteps flourish. Wherever you step into, the stars will be shining. Take your time. Don't rush into it. Take your time and find that man that will flourish you, that will make you to thrive in different ways that are impossible to your thinking. Find that man. Take your time, my lady, my guy. Take your time. Don't rush into it, because once you rush into it, you will rush out. That's why we have a lot of divorces here and there. That's one of the reasons, though. Not like it's a general reason. That's one of the reasons we have a lot of divorces here and there. You rush into it, you rush yourself out. Take your time, okay, my lady? Take your time. Find yourself. Know your value. Discover that value and love the value that you have discovered, and love yourself personally. You need to do that. You have to guide your heart jealously, love yourself jealously. So while you are finding that man and you are pouring into that particular man, you will be happy that you are doing that. You will be happy you did. A lot of men and women are drained in bad relationships. And a lot of men and women are flourishing in good relationship. So choose your demons wisely. Be the reason why a lot of people will be happy that yes, there is something that is called marriage. Be the reason that a lot of people who want to settle down, a lot of people will want to have a husband, a lot of people will want to have a wife. You advise them to calm down, take your time, so that you will not rush yourself out. When you are speaking about your partner, you will be proud to say, yes, I married a kind man. I married a masculine man. Yeah. That old age is necessary and important. Yes, you are doing so well for yourself now. You can do this, you can do that, you can lift that heavy object, you can do a lot of things by yourself. But when that old age hits, that is when you will understand and know the full meaning of companionship. It's not only limited to having children and answering wife and husband. That is when you will now know that, yeah, I'm with my best friend, I'm with my brother, I'm with my sister, I'm with Onye Nkemo. Take your time, my lady. Take your time, gentlemen. Take your time. You will really be grateful you did. I'm Mwabweze Chinyere Priska. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, and drop that your heart comments. It will really be appreciated. Thank you for coming by. Bye bye for now.